Hi, Algebra 1. This is WLF number 4. Remember our slope equation is this. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug them in. y2 is 10, y1 is 3. x1 minus that, so that's 10 minus 3, which is 7 over negative 3. There's my slope. x1, y1, x2, y2. So my slope is negative 9 minus negative 3 over 2 minus 4. Those mean that it's a plus, so negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6 over negative 2, because 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So that gives me a slope of negative, or positive 3. Number 5, we want to write the equation in point slope form. So I'm going to call this x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to find the slope first. Those are 2's. So I'm going to go 0 minus 2, 5 minus minus 3. So that's going to give me 2 over 8. So our slope is 1 over 4. Then I have to pick one of my points. I'm going to stick with the x1, y1 because we have that up in the equation. So that's going to give me y equals our slope. Oops, take it back. Y minus, when I plug it in, it's going to be a negative 2. Positive 2 turns negative 2. My slope is 1/4. X plus 3. It's the reason it's plus 3 is because that was a negative there when we plug it in. Number 7, you want to find the following equation. So x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Find the slope first. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's going to give me 1 over, that gives me positive, so negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. That's my slope. We're going to take the first point, plug it into our point slope. So y, when I plug it in, the y value is now negative. Slope is negative 1 over 2. Yes, I can move the negative up top. X plus 2. The reason that's plus 2 is because there's a minus up above. Number 9. So that's just going to be x1 and y1. Plug them in. So it's a positive 2, so it's a negative 2 here. My slope is 0. X plus 3. 0 times a quantity is just 0. So then just add 2 to the other side and you're done. That's a special case. This one, this is the point that comes from f1 equals 3. This is the point that comes from f3 equals 4. So let's find the slope, x1, y1, x2, y2. So find the slope is 4 minus 3, 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1 over 2. There's my slope. I'm going to use this and plug it in. So y, it's a positive 3, so it's now a negative 3 equals 1/2 x minus, because it's positive 1, it'll be a minus 1. That's done. 13, write the equation of point slope. Okay, so let's find the slope first, x1, y1, x2, y2. And then we want to convert to slope intercept when we're done. So our slope is going to be 3 minus negative 5, 4 minus 2. That's going to give me a plus. So that's going to be 8 over 2. So my slope is 4. I'm going to use this point here. So I'm going to plug it in. It's a minus 5, so it's plus 5 here. This is a positive 2, so it's a negative 2 down here. Now that's our point slope, but I'm going to get this to slope intercept form. So I get 4x minus 8. Subtract 5 from both sides, so I get negative 13. So that's the slope intercept of the equation. And that's it.